It's 10 minutes after 7. Our Sheboygan A's baseball update is next. Denny Moyer standing by. Well, this is getting to be kind of a fun thing to do, Denny.
Yeah, this is never going to get old, Dave. This has been a good run.
Yeah, you got to be waking up in a good mood every morning. The A's made it 11 in a row last night in shutout fashion.
Taylor Schwartz threw a shutout at what did we even play with? Menasha. Yeah, Menasha was leading the league, and Taylor shut him out on 6-0. He struck out 8 people, and they got 8 hits off him, but he got out of trouble almost every time. And it was a good effort for him, and we got some timely hits. Jeremy McCarty got a 2-run double, and Ryan Schiller got a 2-run single, and we played well.
I know you've been around baseball a long time, and when you get in these kind of streaks, everything seems to go right. You get the 2-out hits. Your pitchers come through when they need to. And, of course, earlier this season, you felt it happened to you where you weren't getting those hits and the pitchers weren't making the key pitches. I know what the preference is. It's sure more fun to do it this way.
Yeah, it is amazing how that works. You're absolutely right on that. Some days just you cannot win for losing, and then some days you can't lose for winning. It's just crazy how that is. But things are going well for us. We're getting good bounces, and things are working.
11-15 seems like a long time ago. You're now 22-15, and you hit the road tonight at Manitowoc.
Go to Manitowoc tonight, and Trevor Nicholson's going to start, and then Friday night we're home in the tournament. We got Oshkosh at the tournament starts, and all these games count in the state league. And then Saturday night we're playing again at 7:30 against Addison, and then Sunday we got a doubleheader against Lombard and Kenosha. So 4 games over the weekend, and people want to see baseball. It's going to be baseball all day at Wildwood Park. The state league teams are going to play each other at Wildwood Park and at the Field of Dreams. So we got a lot of games, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
Well, and we were talking just before we went on with the update, the weather forecast right through the weekend, right into next week is looking for very, very nice summer weather. So with everything going right and the weather cooperating, it's couldn't be a better time to get out to the ballpark.
Exactly right. We're looking for good crowds, and it's been a lot of fun. And like you said, the weather certainly adds to the fun of it, because that can be a pain when the weather's bad news. But we're doing fun. We're doing well.
All right, well, go get them in Manitowoc tonight. Hopefully we're talking about number 12 tomorrow.
Let's hope so, Dave. We'll talk to you tomorrow.